A lot more like fall today. That's certainly not how the week started. Remember that record-breaking 90s on Tuesday?
Yeah, still wearing flip-flops at that point. This is not the first time that our summer-style heat has lingered longer into September, and it likely will not be the last. Meteorologist Cody Matz is here with more on that. Hey, Cody.
Hey, good morning, guys. Tuesday was the 18th 90-plus degree day in the Twin Cities, which is one of the latest times in the year we have eclipsed that said mark. But what may be far more impressive, though, is just how long our summer-style warmth has actually lasted. Now, today will mark the first day in 118 days that we have not reached the 70-degree mark. That is the longest such stretch on record in the Twin Cities, dating all the way back to 1872. It's also been roughly the same number of days since the metro has seen any temperature lower than 50 degrees. That's in the top 5 longest of such streaks, both streaks you can see here. But when you notice and you look closely at these lists, look at the years. Focus on the years. I realize there's a lot of numbers on here. Most of the years are in the 21st century, so since the year 2000, and this trend is likely to continue thanks to the growing Twin Cities metropolitan area. Now, it's the urban heat island effect, which is the warming man-made objects have on the atmosphere around them. Manufactured objects like concrete, brick, and asphalt heat more efficiently in the sunlight, making them much hotter than surrounding natural sources like the grass, the trees, and the crops that are far more abundant outside of the city core. This aids in keeping temperatures anywhere from 2 to 5 degrees warmer on average than areas around them, according to a 2014 University of Minnesota study. In some extreme cases, though, temperatures in the Twin Cities core can be 30 degrees warmer than the immediately surrounding rural areas. And you can see that very clearly in this FLIR thermal camera image, courtesy of American Forests. Thermal cameras show us the temperature of objects using colors. The air temperature in this picture is in the mid-80s, but the greens and blues and the green spaces on the left show significantly cooler temperatures than the surrounding air, while the cars and asphalt in the background on the right show significantly warmer temperatures than that surrounding air. Now, there are a few things at play when it comes to extending our summer warmth through September, like the urban heat island that I was talking about, but also climate change as well. It's unknown just how much each one of these is actually playing into our daily weather. However, with urban areas continuing to expand as we build more structures and build more concrete and global carbon emissions continuing to rise, it's only logical that streaks like this will likely get longer and more frequent as the years progress.